Okay, let's do a very quick basic demo of game playing in Acuitas. So here he is. I'm going to switch over to the drive plotter for the display, and let's start a conversation.
Hello. My name is Acuitas Heinrich. Who are you?
First I have to introduce myself, that's obligatory.
Hello.
Then I can just say I want to play a game. And this will get him into the game-playing mode where he's treating what I say as part of a text-adventure game.
Okay.
You are a human. He can theoretically roleplay as any character. You are in a room. There is a table in the room. An apple is on the table. You are hungry. So I can deliver a bunch of sentences rapid fire like that.
I get an apple.
And then he'll pause and wait to see if I'm going to say any more before he does any processing on it. So he wants to get an apple. You now have the apple. Okay, what will he do with that?
I eat an apple.
You are not hungry anymore. And that is the end of this very simple game.
Goodbye.
Not much, is it? But I can pull up a narrative diagram that I generated in the simulator earlier. Game playing uses the narrative scratchboard, so I can have these diagrams generated that basically tell the story of the game, produced by both Acuitas and myself. So here's all of the scene setting that I did at the outset, and then here's him deciding to pick up the apple. This is solving the problem that is created by him being hungry, thinking that he would like to eat some food, realizing that he needs to get food before he can eat it, so that this is the problem, that he does not have food. This is the sub-goal, to get the food. The apple is the only food in the scene, so he's going to try to get that. One little quirk here is that when he decides to do something, that is not immediately entered into the narrative scratchboard. He tells me he's going to do it, and then he wants me to confirm or deny that he actually did it, because maybe there's some obstacle to doing it that he's not aware of yet. If he for some reason tried to get an apple when there was no apple in the room, then I, as the game master, might say, you can't get an apple because there is not an apple here. But in this case, I confirmed that he has gotten the apple by telling him about one of the expected results. I say, you now have the apple, which implies that he successfully got it. So this action gets entered in the narrative scratchboard, realizes this sub-goal, and solves this problem. Next round, he eats it, and I confirm that by saying, you're not hungry anymore. That fulfills this sub-goal and solves this problem. In addition to fulfilling this prediction, which was generated by the predictive aspect of the narrative module. And that's all there is to it. It's very simple, but it illustrates problem solving in a text adventure game.